Well, everybody's heard about the bird. Bird, 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 bird is the word. And when the bird, 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 bird is the word. And when the bird, bird, bird is the word. And when the bird, 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 bird is the word. And when you know about the bird, when everybody knows that the bird is the word. Bird, bird, bird is the word. And when the bird, well, everybody's heard about the bird. Bird, 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 bird is the word. And when the bird, 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 bird is the word. And when the bird, bird is the word. And when the bird, 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 bird is the word. And where don't you know about the bird? When everybody knows that the bird is the word. Bird, bird, bird is the word. And when the bird, surfing bird. Well, I'm going home. I'm going home. Going home. I'm going home. My baby, big six chicken for me. Yeah, chicken. Boiled chicken. Any kind of chicken. Boiled chicken, fried chicken, cocked bacon chicken. Big six chicken for me. I ate my dinner, she squeezes till it hurts. I like to eat chicken pie for dessert. Yeah, chicken, boiled chicken, fried chicken, cocked bacon chicken. Big six chicken for me. I ate dinner, that hurts. I like to eat chicken pie for dessert. Yeah, chicken, boiled chicken, fried chicken, cocked bacon chicken. Big six chicken for me. Sam, baby, big six chicken for me. One more time, Sam, baby, big six chicken for me. Thank you very much. We'll see you again on Friday. Have a good week. Sorry guys, licensing laws and all that crap, we got to stop now. Come see us again on Friday. Hey, it's not up to us. If you want t-shirts, CDs, go see the girls down the side. Thank you very much for coming out. We'll see you again soon.